Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Ring Protect to enable smart alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the Ring app installed on your smartphone. Open the Ring app by tapping its icon. Log in to your Ring account using your credentials. From the main dashboard, tap on the device you want to enable smart alerts for. In the device settings, look for the option labeled Smart Alerts. Tap on Smart Alerts to access its settings. You will see a description of what Smart Alerts offer. Read through the information to understand how the feature works. If you wish to proceed, tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to enable this feature. Read the prompt carefully and tap Yes or Confirm to proceed. Next, you may need to set your desired alert preferences. Select the types of motion notifications you want to receive. Options may include people detection, motion zones, or all motion alerts. After selecting your preferences, tap on Save to confirm your choices. Once saved, your device will now utilize the Smart Alerts feature. Check that you have notifications enabled in your phone settings. This ensures that you'll receive alerts in real time. Now, test the feature by walking in front of your camera. Observe if you receive the expected alerts on your smartphone. With these steps, you have successfully authorized Ring Protect to enable smart alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.